If you're like many of our customers, you don't have 5 hours to spend at the dealership when you pick up your new car. What I hope to do today is show you one or two things about your new vehicle that you might not know yet. One of the favorite features of my GM vehicle is the factory remote start system. You've got one key fob and everything operates from here. In order to prevent accidental starts, GM does have a sequence you follow in order to start the vehicle. They want you to hit the lock button, hold the start button for 3 seconds, and that will start the vehicle. So we'll hit the lock, hold the start button, and if you've got advanced climate control, the vehicle is also going to turn on the heat or air conditioning depending on the exterior temperature. That's why I love my GM remote start.